We just kind of got here, eh? We just got here. We had nothing.
Listening to all the speeches here, what makes a good speech to you?
Expression. I'd say when you can tell that it's their own whakaaro and what they're saying is really meaningful and you're able to like connect with their kōrero.
If you put lots of your heart into speech, you know, like comes from you personally. Yeah, it's got to have that mana, that wairua. You just got to be there and you just got to enjoy it and mean what you're saying.
Yeah, lots of mana and they make it like funny, not boring.
I would say how they engage the crowd with laughter in it.
So like there is like charisma?
Yeah, heaps of aura in that one.
Heaps of aura. What makes like a good speech to you two?
We just kind of got here, eh? We just got here. We had nothing.
So you know nothing about it?
We just got here.
What's gonna like get your interest?
Depending on how confident they are.
For me, I reckon it's the way you articulate your words, the way you present yourself. Can't just go on the stage without the confidence like that you don't want to talk. You just gotta like go all out, go from the heart. Don't think of it as like a stressed out situation. Just be yourself. Talk as you would to like friends or anything like that. Yeah.
Nei kei te tino he kata rātou, ka tino wakarongo.
Ngā rhetorical questions. E pai ana e rei te mea, it gets your brain thinking.
E pai ana ki hau ki ngā tangata ka nuku haere, hara rātou tū tiko ana. Ka wakamahi ngā aringa hoki, kia pai ki tō rātou kōrero.